Dear students, this is Hariram Singh, and I'm going to discuss some of the problems of big data analytics, which will be helpful for you to prepare your external exam of BTU. So, the first problem is decision tree. Every year, they will give you the table and they will ask you to construct the decision tree, and based on the decision tree they will give some problem and they will ask you to answer it. So this such kind of problem every year it is coming. It is very easy, and I hope if you put a little effort you can understand it very well, and little practice you can become master of this problem. So let us discuss. So some cases are there in which based on that you have to find the construct the decision tree. Now suppose the different cases are there is a game, whether it is a cricket, volleyball, throw ball, or any football, anything. So these are the some situations it is given: outlook, temperature, humidity, windy. In this situation different values are there. Under these values, play is game has been played or not, some statistics data are given. Now suppose, so outlook has three values, like overcast. Outlook has three values: sunny, overcast, and rain. Similarly, temperature has three values: hot, cool, and mild. Similarly, humidity has two values, maybe two values: high and normal. High and normal. Similarly, windy has two values: true and false. And in that cases, statistics of the game is given as a played or not. So first example is, first case, if the outlook is sunny and temperature is hot, humidity is high, and windy is false. In these cases, last statistics is given that game has not been played. Another case, if outlook is sunny, temperature is hot, humidity high, and windy is true. In this case also game has not been played. But if outlook is overcast, temperature is hot, humidity is high, windy false, then game has been played. If outlook is rainy, temperature is mild, humidity high, windy false, then game has been played. So such kind of cases are there. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Around 14 situations has been given. 14 different cases has been given. Based on that, we have to construct a decision tree. This table will be given in the exam as a question. So the question is that after constructing table, if the situation is outlook is sunny, temperature is hot, humidity normal, and windy is true, in this case whether the game will be played or not, we have to answer. So see how to construct a decision tree for the above table. Let us see. So first variable is outlook. So for outlook there are three different cases: overcast, sunny, and rain. So overcast has occurred how many times? Let us see. One overcast. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Total 4 times overcast has come. So here overcast has come 4 times. Again sunny. in the outlook, sunny has occurred how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times sunny has occurred, and rainy. So total 14 cases. 4 has occurred overcast. Sunny has occurred 5 times, and so remaining will be 5 times rainy situation. So corresponding to overcast, what is the result of the game? So overcast, yes. Overcast, yes. Overcast, yes. Overcast, yes. So all the 4 cases, game has been played. So I can write yes 4 times and no 0. So there are 4 times overcast has occurred in the table, and corresponding to all the 4 cases, game has been played. So I will write the table 4 yes 4, then no 0, because corresponding to any overcast, game has not been played in 0. So it will be no in 0. Similarly, corresponding to sunny, let us see. Sunny no. Sunny no. 2 cases no here. Sunny no. 3 cases. Sunny yes. Sunny yes. So there are 3 cases corresponding to which, there are 3 cases in the sunny corresponding to which game has not been played, and there are 2 cases corresponding to sunny game has been played. Similarly, rainy season. In the rainy, corresponding to rainy, here you can see yes, and third is no. Rainy, yes. So rainy, no. So 3 cases corresponding to rainy, game has been played, yes, and 2 cases corresponding to rainy, game has not been played. So 2. So I will list out the table. Now I will construct the rules. So here only main you have to understand. You have to put your effort to understand how to construct a rule. Once you understand how to construct the rule, then automatically this problem will be solved and you will become master of this problem. Now see how to make the rule. Attribute is overcast. Attribute is outlook. So outlook has 3 cases: overcast, sunny and rain. So you can see that corresponding to the overcast, what is the, which value has the highest value? Which, in which scenario the highest value is? Corresponding to yes, there are 4 values, but corresponding to no, it is 0. So this will consider as a rule. I will make this as a rule. So overcast yes, overcast yes, because corresponding to yes, the more value is there, 4 then 0. So I will make a rule overcast yes as a rule. So how many are supporting, how many are not supporting this rule? So 4 are supporting and 0 are not supporting. So 0 which are not supporting, that will be considered as a error. So I will consider error as a 0. So 0 out of 4 are error. Overcast yes. So the main thing you have to understand, what is the highest value among these two? The highest value is 4 and corresponding to 4 yes. So rule is overcast yes. So there are 0 cases which are not following this rule, overcast yes. So that will be considered as an error. So overcast yes. So 0 cases which are not following this rule, so this will be considered as an error. Similarly, come to the sunny case. In sunny, there are 2 values, yes and no. So corresponding to yes, there are 2 values, and corresponding to no, 3 values are there. So we'll make a rule. Highest value is 3.